Today I'm in Putrajaya, the administrative capital city of Malaysia. Just finished in 1999 just because the Kuala Lumpur city was too busy and overcrowded. So somebody got idea to move the capital city to Putrajaya. This is totally plant-made city, just 23 years old, which cost whopping $8 billion. Just behind me is the Parliament building. From the other side, do you have a Putra Mosque, which is Iranian style mosque. Everything what you see in this city on today's video is just approximately 20-25 years old. Putrajaya city is just located 20 minutes outside the Kuala Lumpur, and the most convenient and fastest way to get here is by train, by Clear Transit, but just make sure you are traveling by Clear Transit, not Clear Express, because Clear Express is going directly to airport without stopping, by Clear Transit stopping in Putrajaya and other cities. Also, the ticket one way costs you approximately $350, and the taxi or Grab from the stations to here costs you only $2. The train is very nice, actually very easy to buy tickets. You can buy it in the counter or you can buy it online. How I make it one way like this, one way like this, just to show you around. Usually I'm buying online actually. And I'm in this city just for a few minutes, and I'm gonna tell you already, as it's very impressive. I never been in such of perfect looking city. This is the government building, this is the mosque. Over there is the human-made lake, huge lake made by the humans. And here is the special place for the flags with the huge Malaysian flag and each state of Malaysia. The main square is very impressive. Let's now explore the beautiful mosque, which is Iranian style with the red marbles inside and stuff like this. Unfortunately, there was the prayer, but they didn't let me in because I'm not a Muslim. So now after the prayer, you can explore inside. There is the visitor map, where the people coming from all around the world, and I can see already there was three persons from the country where I'm coming from. I will be the fourth one. This is the map, full entire world, and this is my country, the Poland. Somebody was here as well. I'm coming somewhere exactly here. Where is my place? Okay, it's not that easy to point. That's it. And if you're gonna have a closer look, the most people coming from Asia in general, also a lot of people from all entire Europe. Only 5 people from Australia, and New Zealand 1 person, which is very strange. Eventually I cannot get inside of this mosque because there is renovation. They're doing something with the copper to the roof, and they said as they don't let visitors to get inside. Not sure if it's actually true or not. However, they're really doing something on the roof, so unfortunately I cannot show you much about the mosque. I'm so sorry about that, guys, but at least I put the pin exactly where I'm coming from, originally from my country, from Poland, so everybody will know at least something. And I show you how does it look from outside anyways, right? Over here is very beautiful promenade when you can walk by the lake. This lake is human-made. The project of this city was to make it something to make it cool down. It's super hot in Putrajaya actually, everywhere in Malaysia, but here it's like more hotter. It's like 31 degrees, but it feels like it's 50 or something like that. I probably already got a sunburn. There is the lake, so when you walk here, you can really feel the cool breeze. That's really, really cool actually. This is the view of the mosque from the bottom, from the lake side. It's really nice, just pity as I cannot get inside, maybe on different occasions. Putrajaya is so famous for their parks, city parks, and it's so many bicycle trails everywhere around the lake. If you are living here and you would like to cycling, you can do it, like these people over there. The city is counting 90,000 people of population or something like that, around something between 90 and 100,000. Looks pretty big, it's pretty nice, it's very clean, I could say. However, its look seems like very quiet, especially to compare to Kuala Lumpur, where wherever you're gonna go, so many people. Here is like, you see, it's like empty. So it's very interesting place to be. They really planned the city. If we are looking for the roads, how big, nice, and in general perfect this road is, and the view, they really do the great job. Also, here is the nice fountain, and the road actually is very long. I don't know how many kilometers, but I think they're crossing the full entire city. And all of this building, what is behind me, is actually one company. So it looks actually nice, very modern, and I could say very futuristic, especially as this city is in Asia, in Malaysia, guys. Except the beautiful roads, they really took care of the footpaths, of the bike lines, of the city parks, and on everything. However, I just don't know where the people actually today. It's Friday afternoon, maybe they went back to Kuala Lumpur, or I don't know, maybe they're living actually in Cyberjaya, where it's actually different city very close by the Putrajaya, something like that. Alright guys, this is it. That was my quick trip to Putrajaya. Situation there and the city itself is really impressive, I could say. In my opinion, definitely worth to visit if you have time when you are in Kuala Lumpur. It's just 20 minutes. It's very cheap to get there, very easy. So why not? You will see something different, that's for sure. So stay tuned, come back tomorrow, and I will see you as always. See ya, bye bye.